Welcome to the best picks. The best lava beads is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of essential oils throughout your day. In this video, we will explore the top lava beads on the market, comparing their quality, durability, and overall effectiveness in diffusing your favorite scents, helping you choose the perfect beads to enhance your aromatherapy experience. Number 5. Aobei Pearl 18K Gold Necklace. This stunning necklace is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. The 18K gold chain and delicate pendant will surely make a statement. The chain is crafted from high-quality 18K gold, ensuring its durability and luxurious shine. Its unique paperclip design adds a modern twist to a classic style. Adorning the necklace is a genuine biwa pearl, known for its lustrous beauty and unique shape. It's the perfect finishing touch to this exquisite piece. Its delicate design makes it suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. It's lightweight and comfortable, perfect for all-day wear. This necklace makes a thoughtful and stylish gift for any woman in your life. It's sure to be treasured for years to come. Aobei is committed to providing high-quality jewelry with exquisite craftsmanship. This necklace is a testament to our dedication to excellence. What we like. If you are looking for a sophisticated and delicate necklace to elevate your style, this is the perfect choice. Its exquisite 18K gold detailing adds a touch of luxury, making it ideal for special occasions or everyday wear. This piece is a stunning statement for those who appreciate fine jewelry and timeless elegance. What people say. It's super lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I'm wearing a necklace. I love how you can adjust the length to fit your preferences. This necklace is a cute little gold choker. It literally works with any outfit with any kind of necklace underneath or on top of it. It goes with absolutely anything. It is very lightweight. It has not tarnished. It's in perfect condition. Great layering piece. Since I put magnetic closures on all my necklaces, it's the perfect size. Not too long. I like the gold color and weight. Doesn't look cheap or fake. Number 4. Lava Bead Bracelet. This beautiful bracelet is more than just jewelry, it's your personal aromatherapy companion. The lava beads gently diffuse your favorite essential oils, providing a calming and uplifting experience throughout your day. We've infused this bracelet with the relaxing aroma of lavender essential oil. It's perfect for promoting tranquility and reducing stress, making it ideal for self-care moments. Adding a touch of elegance, it features a delicate 18K gold-plated charm. This luxurious detail elevates the bracelet, making it a stylish accessory for any occasion. The bracelet incorporates soothing crystal beads, believed to promote balance and positive energy. These crystals add a unique touch of beauty and serenity. Its comfortable stretch design ensures a perfect fit for every wrist. The boho style complements various outfits and personal styles, making it a versatile addition to your jewelry collection. This bracelet makes a thoughtful and unique gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a present that shows you care about their well-being and style. What we like. If you enjoy aromatherapy and self-care, this bracelet is your perfect companion. The calming lavender essential oil promotes relaxation, while the comfortable stretch design ensures all-day wear. It's a thoughtful gift for yourself or someone who appreciates mindful wellness practices. What people say. The combination of crystal beads, lava stones, and the charm adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. What I love most is its aromatherapy feature. I added a few drops of lavender essential oil to the lava beads, and the calming scent lasts all day. Beautiful, sturdy, and well made. Gorgeous colors, and holds the oil smell all day. Number 3. PandaHall Lava Beads. These beads are perfect for jewelry making and aromatherapy. They're made from natural volcanic stone and come in a variety of colors. You'll receive approximately 470 beads, conveniently packaged in 10 strands. Each bead measures 8 mm in diameter with a 1 mm hole. These beads are made from high-quality natural volcanic stone. They're carefully polished and dyed for a beautiful finish. Lava stones are believed to strengthen our connection to the earth, offering protection and guidance during challenging times. They symbolize strength and understanding. They are ideal for creating necklaces, bracelets, and other jewelry. They also make excellent essential oil diffuser beads. Because these beads are dyed, boil them first to remove wax and pigment if you plan to use them with essential oils. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. If you love DIY jewelry making and need a large quantity of high-quality lava beads, this bulk pack is perfect for you. The beads are versatile, allowing you to create various jewelry pieces, and the affordable price makes it a great value. Unleash your creativity and make unique gifts for friends and family. What people say. They have a nice deep dark color that is much better than some of the other, dry, or washed-out, beads we have received from other sellers. Has a good texture for bracelets even after boiling. It threads beautifully without having to manually finger drill the cord into the hole or use a bead reamer ahead of time to get it to pass through. This makes these beads 100% better for speed of use and quality holes. I love the black ones in every possible way. They feel incredible. Not waxy, but not chalky either. They feel porous, but smooth. Number 2. SUNYIK Lava Rock Diffuser Beads. These beautiful, colorful beads are perfect for jewelry making. Each one is unique, adding a special touch to your creations. These beads are approximately 8 mm in diameter and come in a 14-inch strand. They're the ideal size for a variety of jewelry projects. These aren't just pretty beads, they're made from lava stone, a powerful grounding crystal known for its protective energy. Use them for necklaces, bracelets, pendants, or any other craft project you can imagine. They're incredibly versatile. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and it will diffuse throughout the day, leaving a lovely scent. You'll receive 1 strand of beads, a drawstring pouch, and 10 Tibetan silver spacer beads. Everything you need to get started. What we like. If you appreciate vibrant colors and unique designs, this strand of colorful lava beads is for you. The 14-inch length is ideal for creating various jewelry pieces, and the natural variations in color make each bead special. It's a great choice for those who love adding a pop of color to their creations. What people say. These beads have that lava texture that sets them apart from other beads. Yet, they are not abrasive to one's skin. Lightweight for earrings and matching necklace, bracelets, etc. These unique beads lend themselves to many different options. From attractive jewelry of porous lava beads to easily absorbing personal essentials small oil diffuser, emitting the oil fragrance of your choice. They also come with fine quality Tibetan silver antique beads for spacing the lava beads on a bracelet for one example. Number 1. EuTengHao Lava Stone Beads Kit. It's a comprehensive kit, perfect for crafting unique jewelry pieces. Everything you need is included to get started. With 846 high-quality beads, you'll have a vast array of options for your designs. Let your imagination run wild. This kit boasts an impressive selection of lava stones, chakra beads, and colorful patterned beads. Mix and match to create stunning combinations. The lava beads are perfect for diffusing your favorite essential oils. Create a personalized aromatherapy experience with every piece. Beyond the beads, it includes all the essential tools and findings you'll need, earring hooks, jump rings, and more. Everything is ready for you to start creating. It makes a thoughtful and unique gift for friends, family, or yourself. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. If you're a beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, this comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning jewelry. The wide variety of beads and tools allows for endless possibilities, making it a perfect gift for yourself or a creative friend. It's a great way to explore your crafting skills and create personalized pieces. What people say. It was easy enough for beginners and made everyone feel very successful at making beautiful jewelry. This is a huge collection of colorful beads. Many varieties. The lava beads can be used for aromatherapy, or as filler beads on a bracelet or necklace. The findings, loops, wires, elastic string are also included, as are jewelry pliers and tweezers. A nice assortment of beads at all. The selection of colors and styles is awesome. It comes with everything you need to start making jewelry. I would definitely recommend this set to anyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.